When you are setting up a performance management software, there are a lot of decisions that need to be made. So for example, how many rating levels will your appraisal have? Will everyone have the same appraisal? Or will different positions have different appraisals, or different divisions have different appraisals? How much do goals factor into everything? So all of these questions need to be answered. Now, when you begin to use Performance Pro, our team will help take good care of you. We'll help you kind of think through all of these situations. Now, one thing that you're going to need to know is that there is not a one-size-fits-all solution for performance management. There's been a lot of talk about, do we do ratings or ratingless reviews? There's not one solution for every organization because every organization is different. So this is where understanding your culture is going to be really important. So one thing you're going to want to consider is, do we make a big change all at once, or do we need to make smaller changes over a period of time? What's the nature of our culture, and how will our employees react to those types of changes? Now, let me tell you another secret about performance management. This is something that most organizations wouldn't tell you, but software, even great performance management software, does not solve soft skill problems. So software can help with soft skill problems, but it can't fix those types of problems. If you are using a great application, but your managers still aren't giving constructive feedback in a positive way, or they're not giving enough feedback to their employees, or there's shaming going on at the organization, right? There is no software that's going to fix that problem. And so you have to be aware that software does wonderful things around automation and kind of helping with some of these types of items, but doesn't solve them, certainly. Now, here's the great part. One thing that having a new software, performance management software application can do is it can stand as a line in the sand. So all of a sudden, we're not only going to change the performance management process and the way we're delivering appraisals, but we've also decided that this is going to be a watershed moment for our organization. We're going to ride the wave of momentum, of this change momentum that a new application brings, and we're going to exacerbate it. We're going to make it even bigger and better by working to include things like communication and this soft skill change. So it's a nice excuse to have a hard reset at an organization. Now, I mentioned before, we do a lot of hand-holding at Performance Pro. So as you need to make decisions about what features get turned on and off, as you need to have someone guide you through what your organization may be able to tolerate, if you do need help with soft skills, well, we can help with those types of things. That's all part of what we do here at Performance Pro. So give us a call. Let us know what your situation is. You'll talk with one of the great members of our team, and we'll do everything we can to get you taken care of. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using Performance Pro.